A little bit of posturing there from Jamie Garner to Gravedigger and Tyler Menninga. And Tyler Menninga just waves him off.
No score for Adam.
It looks like it broke that shock in the left rear.
Oh,
where was
That's what it's about.
This is another Max teammate, Neil Elliott in Max D. This is another Max D truck. Oh. Max D promised the fans in Sydney to end with a spectacular stunt.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my!
2 backflips in a row. Ryan Anderson. Oh!
Path to deliver. And last week, Cody Saucier pulling second in freestyle only.
Behind the wheel of his Monster Jam truck, first career.
And he just pulled it off. It sounds like the transmission might have went out. Something's going.
Wants to go here. Wow. Landed so hard on the side. And it's just the design of that truck. I don't know that
In the racing bracket with some big wins. Oh, and he's on his lead away with a save.
Camden Murphy on an absolute tear. And that save at the very end, right there, one wheel.
Doing what grave diggers do. Huge air right there. Absolute awareness, though, as he goes over again. Another save. Oh, my God. Got good throttle rhythm as well. He's kind of keeping that truck going. And he's got another great save. We've seen a lot of...
Tristan England unfazed by the mud and the dirt, getting it on the front 2 BKT tires and living on those front tires. Will he ever set it down?
Let's hear it for Bryce.
Can only look on and smirk because she knows her work is now cut out for her. Some serious damage done to the bottom of that Monster Jam truck. Hard to tell from up here, maybe a busted 4-length bar, but you really got to tip your cap.
Can't believe the licking that thing takes, and it doesn't break, and he's rocking it backwards.
He rolls over as the clock expires.
It up right now in Monster Energy, lining up for the backflip ramp, nails it.
Racing win. Can he bookend the night with a? Yes, he is.
He's biding his time.
Here it comes. Nailed it.
Perfect.
Straightens it up, and he's got another save. Oh my, backflip. A little slow, accelerates, gets it right into a that's a
It is. Oh,
Got it.
Nice.
Perfect
Nice
landing. Another one.
Right into number 2. Oh, over backwards after the second
Guess
one.
it.
Darn.
Oh, man.
He got a straight lane on the container, skies it off a little bit to the left, lands awkward on the front right. I think he may have broken it. He's trying to flip it, and he does. The teeter.
But the truck this time wouldn't hold up to what he was trying to put it through, and right there's the end of the day. Big cross jump right there, took off the right rear wheel. When he turned left, there was nothing to support the base of the truck.
Comes in again, nice jump there, goes to the side, starts turning the wheel, he's gonna go over here, and he cannot.
The truck's gonna have to quit. I'm telling you that right now. And this truck just quit. Listen to this place. Stop listening.
No.
You can have the money and the world, the angels and the pearls, even trademark the color blue.
Shed the front clip, and he goes over again, and he's
Actually, a little truck breakage took him out. This one here, yeah, epic. A little tap of the brakes, that way you make sure it settles when it comes back to all 4 tires.
Crawl out of that thing. He'll be all jacked up, man.
Ken, you're right next to me, and I can't hear you talking. This place is so loud. Oh, and he wants it louder. Look at this.